School Toys by Niharika presents to you easy drawing of candle and diya. Let's start. Make a one and then join its end. Now on the downer portion make a curve. And it's done. Now make the lid. Let's shade and put the wax dripping so that it looks nice. Shadows done. Now let's start with the diya. Make curve in the downside like a half like semicircle. Then join in between. Make the lid. Now make some semicircles more. In the pattern, draw a flower on the downer side. You can make any petal you want. Now let's outline it with a black pen so that it looks good. Every time whenever you outline like pre-outline a drawing, always use color pencils because if you use oil pastels, it will destroy the drawing and like the outline will not look that good and bright. So if you have outlined it already, always and always use color pencils. Now let's color. Well, now let's add shadow to it by adding a darker color. Like I have taken dark blue instead of light on that. Now color the diya upper one like an earthen pot. Color the mid of the flower pink, then purple petals. Like you can see I have made small dots in between. That's heavy. Now red and then green. It's done. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe it. Thank you and happy Diwali. Enjoy your day. Bye.